guys, I got just a little short clip for you guys today of a cattle drive that we done with my dad's cattle. But before I do that, I want to do a mail call. I got a couple things in the mail this week that I was really excited about, and I wanted to share that with you because I was thankful and I want to show my appreciation as well. Miss Debbie that gave me the bean pie recipe, she sent me some comfrey. She'd heard where I didn't have my comfrey anymore because the winter was so bad whenever we moved down here, and I had it in a pot. And I had it stuck up under a building and insulated good, but apparently I didn't have it good enough because it didn't make it. And so she sent me some comfrey, which I was super excited about because I love my comfrey. And so I got it planted yesterday, as well as some other trees and stuff that I transplanted from here and there, put different places. But I was so excited to get to plant that comfrey out here and get it going for spring so I can see it coming up good in spring because I've missed it for 2 years now. Second of all, Thomas and Dawn Schmitt from Thomas Schmitt's homesteading projects, I'll put their link below, sent me something in the mail that I was expecting something but I didn't know what. And I was really excited about it when I seen it because it's really cool and it's my style of stuff anyway. So it was a real blessing. And he made it as well, so I wanted to show it to you guys. It says, Little Jordan Farm, keeping old and new skills alive, just like it does at the beginning of my video. So I think that's cool. Is that not awesome? And he did a great job on it on top of that. So I thought it was awesome. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet. I thought about putting it up here, but I ain't sure if I want to put it there yet or not. I like to put it somewhere where it can be seen a lot whenever I do my videos, when I am in the house type videos. So that's awesome. I was tickled with it. Now thank you. I thank you, Thomas and Dawn, and I thank you, Miss Debbie, both for the things y'all sent me. They're very pleased with them. I'm very tickled with them. And can't wait to figure out where to put this, and I can't wait to see my comfrey grow. But let's get on with this clip. I'll tell you more about the cattle stuff. Well, we got it done, and we got rained on the whole time, but it didn't start hard raining until right about 30 minutes after we got done, so it went really well. I didn't get a whole lot of footage just because you're trying to keep up and watch everything. I was the main foot person walking, and so I had different places I had to go off and round up cattle and different things, but I got a little bit of footage. But we had a couple that lived there nearby that has just started farming. They're a fairly young couple, and they got to help us wrangle up cattle, and they thought that was the coolest thing. So that's cool. I always like seeing younger people want to do those type of things, so it blesses me to see that. But it went good. We had a calf, you'll see in the clip. If she hurt her leg, Daddy thinks that cow stepped on it or something other. And so it was kind of slowing things down. So my brother, which you'll see in the clip, he went ahead and picked her up and put her on the back of his four-wheeler. It was hard to keep her on there, so we had to finagle that a little bit. So her leg was hurting, and she had the scares, so Daddy's getting her doctored up. But everybody's back over towards the house, so he can tend to them a little better now. So he had them, like I said, over on another lot. So it was all good. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I appreciate you guys. We'll go home and get dry clothes on. I'm cold. It's not too bad cold here. It's in the lower, or the high 50s, early 60s. But when you get wet, that makes it feel colder. So I will see you next time. God bless. Let's go, Mama. It's okay, Mama. Let's go. Let's go, Mama. Shoo. Come on, Cap. Get your butt up there. Go. Go. I'm fixing to have to run into a gap. So I'll have to let you go. And they have reached their destination. Well, it's alright, Mama. It looks like it. He needs a doctor.